Taurus 2020 monthly horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Taurus horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 is when the Taurus sun sign need to be careful on the health front. February 2020 will require that you have patience on the personal as well as professional fronts. March 2020 will see an improvement in finances and monetary holdings. April 2020 will be spent on improving your business and career prospects. The family will be on the back burner. May 2020 is an auspicious month for travel and financial blessings. June 2020 will come with good health and new opportunities for the Taurians. July 2020 is a good month to pursue a new skill and develop your chances of procuring a better job. August 2020 will see you come into some money from unexpected sources. September 2020 will be an ideal month to be spent with friends and family. October 2020 is the period when people who have wronged you will have to bear the consequences. November 2020 is a time for new beginnings. You will be blessed with good luck and happiness. December 2020 is a good time to enjoy yourself and go on a long vacation with your loved ones. To conclude, Taurus horoscope 2020 predicts that your friends and family are always there to help. Be busy while at work, but relax when you get home. Spend your time doing things that you love, and you will have a wonderful year.